Hi children, hope you are doing good. This is Geeta Anil ma'am from Silver Oaks. Today we are going to learn how to make floral sticks. Floral sticks, I think you have seen. Floral sticks, grade 3, I think we have done it in the live stream session. But I just wanted to repeat this because many of you are asking for it. These are floral sticks which are made out of color paper only, but it looks nice. So today I'll be showing you once again how to make small flowers and arrange it into a floral stick, because one flower it looks nice, but if the flowers are together it looks more beautiful. So let us see how to make these flowers. First thing, we'll do one flower with red and one flower with white. So you'll be needing two sheets, any one color, whichever color you choose. Even if you have white sheet also it's okay, but a small piece of black paper and then scissors and then glue. So now I'll be showing you how we can cut these at a time. Straight, fold like this, take an A4 sheet, fold it like this and press it in the center. So two halves, no? Actually you will need a square piece. So if you need a square piece, fold it into a triangle shape like this and press it properly so that it becomes like a triangle, exactly like a triangle, and this bottom is another triangle, so it becomes a perfect square. So if you see now, you can see the square. So we will be cutting this square, this square. So you will need square pieces like this. So let us cut this and make into 4 squares. So 2 squares, you have got 2 squares. So please observe the fold. I will show you. This is a square paper. You have to fold it like this, just like this, top to bottom. Press it in the center. Then again make it into quarter. You made it half, now it is quarter. So 4 folds. We are going to make 4 folds. After you make 4 folds, again this square has to be made into triangle shape. So square to, first it was triangle to square. Now from square to triangle. At the last it has to be a triangle again. So hold it like this. If you want, you can draw it round like this, or else you can cut it also. I will be showing you how to cut. This open is there, that side, not the closed side. Closed side you have to hold with your pointer and your thumb. Closed side. Now from here draw if you want. If you are not perfect with cutting, then you can draw it like this until here only. The cut is till here. So you have seen a petal. You can see a petal now. So if you open a petal, you will find a heart. Try. You can try a heart. If you open this, that's the reason I asked you to hold this and don't cut it here, I said. So the perfect heart will come if you open it like this. So after you open it, again open, and then fully if you open it, it looks like a flower. If it looks like a flower, it's just like this. Now what you have to do is, there should be 3 petals. So this petal and this whole petal, it will take the help of this petal and this petal. So half of this petal and half of this petal, you have to overlap it like this. See, this petal will go underneath this. So it will hold. So it looks in a 3D form. Till now it is a 2D form like this. If you see, this is a 2D form, but when it's bending inside and showing, it is a 3D form. So let us put little glue and let it overlap. See, you can see I am putting little glue down on one side of this heart and this side also. You can see this side half, this side half. So this petal needs 2 petal support. So it will hold like this and like this. You can see it is holding underneath. So this heart has come behind this for the support. This is supporting this heart. So both these hearts will become little strong. So you need support, right? You need support. You can't do everything alone. You have to have friends also. So you need support. So let us keep this little glue inside this. Just a little glue, and then we will cut the pollens for inside. You need pollens, right? So take this black paper, just thin line like this, just strips like this, just small strips, fold them like this, and then you can put them in the center where there is glue like this, and hold this bottom and this together like this. You have to hold it together like this so that this doesn't fall. Then press the bottom like this and hold it for some time so that this glue dries. So I am holding it like this. So once you make this, these flowers are ready. I will make one with red also. We will see again. So it's repeating. Those who didn't follow, you can follow and see. So now with red, I am showing you with red. So fold it like this. Again 4 folds. Then the center, triangle fold. Right? Now we will cut it like a petal. Open side and then turn it like this and till here only. Till here, not till the end, till here only. Then open it. See, nice beautiful hearts you can see. See, beautiful hearts coming out. Yes, these are the beautiful hearts. Now this needs support, right? So we are going to overlap this. Now this will hold this heart. Half of this heart will hold this heart, and then half of this will hold this. Like this. So you can see the 3D form. It's bulging in outside, right? So it's looking nice, like a cone. So we'll put some glue inside and put pollens. Yes, pollens. It's your choice how many pollens you want. I'm just putting 4, cutting 2 and pressing it into half. Cutting here and then holding it like this. See, thin pollens, and just putting it into that glue and holding it from outside. Both together, the flower and the pollen together, you have to hold and press it down like this so that it stands like this. So now these flowers will be arranging. How to make the stem? I will show you. I will show you with green paper. The stem usually is green or brown. So I have green paper, so I am using green paper. If you have brown paper, you can use brown paper also. So we are going to take a green sheet and press it like this. and then cut it. You can roll it directly also, but if you cut it, it comes little longer. So, and attach it like this, so that it comes little bigger. We can make it little big. Yes. So you can see this. I have attached one sheet only, half of. And then now we are going to roll it. Start rolling as thin as possible. As thin like this. You can see little. Yes, I think everybody knows to do this rolling. We love to do rolling, right? Thinner. Take the base help, otherwise it won't come thin. It will become little fat. Take base and then make it a round. Slowly. Take time. Thin, round like this. Till the end, you can start rolling. Rolling like this. You can take how much ever length you want, you can use that length. Edge, you have to glue it up. Yeah, edge is going to be glued. Like this, we can make bigger rounds and then make just push this thin one into this so that it looks little lengthy. See, the big stick you can see. Make this size stick and then start arranging the flowers. We'll arrange the white flowers first or together. It's okay. If you have both the colors together also, we can do it. We have made white flowers and red flowers, right? So we'll make both together. They also look, if you put it together also, they look nice. So let us see how to arrange. We'll come from small to big. So if this flower is small, it would be nice on top. So just, it will take time. Do the work slowly, so that this glue work, it needs time to stick. Otherwise they will fall. The flowers will be falling. So you have to hold, give a support for some time, then it will hold. Yeah, see, it's holding. Now we will put another small white, small maybe red or white. So let us do red. Let us hold it like this. See, we have pasted some glue here and this flower here. So one white, one red we'll put. We'll be putting this. Yes. Now red color. Then white color. It's your choice. You can have single color sticks or different color together, or you can take two color combination. But it lasts long and it looks nice also. You can gift it. You can decorate your place wherever you want. For birthday parties also, if you want, you can do your flowers and put it wherever you want. Yeah, see how nice the stick is coming? Floral stick. Yes. I think you're enjoying this activity. Try. Even if you can't do now, you at least later also you can try this. It's very easy. Just 4 folds, the square and the petal you have to remember. I'll show you once again how to cut the petal. So now you have seen the floral stick, how nice it is. Now again I will repeat once again how to cut this petal. Just one repeat. I'll just show you. Just close it like this, square, then fold it like this, and then close it like this, like a triangle, and then cut it like a petal, and then open it, and then paste this heart on this heart, this heart on this heart, right? This is how you will do. Hope you will have enjoyed this activity. Try it, and we'll come up with another activity very soon.